Namaskar. This is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your curriculum and as per the, you can say, pre-decided session, today we are going to discuss about the topic Tabu's probability, TRV. Kindly note down the topic Tabu's properties. Tabu's, T-A-B-O-O, tabu's probabilities in PRB means probability and random process. So probability and random variable you can say also. So let me allow to share some material for you, and you please note down these Tabu's probabilities. See the topic here. This is Tabu's probabilities. There are many probabilities for a Markov chain. Please let us write the description that what is Tabu's probabilities. There are many probabilities for a Markov chain involving paths that avoid a specified region in the state space. In particular, let us consider here a set that is considered as Tabu's probability, and I suggest you that kindly remember this result forever. A p to the power n ij is equal to probability of x1, x2, x3, xn minus 1. This all doesn't belongs to A, and xn is equal to j such that x0 is equal to I. That the chain xn moves from a state I to a state j in n steps without entering a Tabu set. Capital A is proper subset of S, and then as we discuss in the above case, here A into e to the power n ij is equal to the sigma value for all the, you can say, I1, I2, I3, In minus 1 belongs to complementary set of A, and the sigma is working on Pi, I Pi1, I2 Pi2, and so on, whereas J is equal to k to the power n ij, and ij belongs to complementary set of A, where q to the power n is equal to q to the power n ij is the nth product of q, and this is giving you this result Pij under first bracket. Ij belongs to a to the power c. The matrix P restricted to a to the power c is equal to capital S upon A. So students, I hope that you have understand that what is Tabu's probability and how it is calculated in probability and random process. And you know that this is also a specific case of stochastic probability, and it is needless to say that this is also a pattern to study the statistical result rather than to forecast the probability of happening of an event. So You may take it as a model. You may take me as a model for the study. You may take it for the model of the solution of a numerical problem that may be explained or that may be illustrated with the help of Tabu's probability. So Tabu's probability, you can see here, is also one of the specific pattern of stochastics process in your PRV. And I suggest that if you are going through the process, if you are going to the depth and knowledge of or study of Markov chain, then we can do that and we can understand that. So students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. And in case of any query or any doubt, feel free to write your comment in the inbox. We shall try to resolve your query from there. Also, during live interaction with you on the virtual base, you may ask your question. You can put supplementary question on the lecture we are delivering here, and I shall try again there to resolve your query at that step also. So thank you very much, students, for listening and enjoying this lecture. Thanks a lot.